What is going on, guys? We're going to pick up another project. The BMW, unfortunately, is getting put on hold, if not the back burner. We're getting rid of the BMW. Spoiler alert. Just because the car itself had, you know, it was an impulse purchase from Copart. It just had way more issues than anticipated. And, you know, we were stripping it down to make it a drift car. We're gonna make another video on it, maybe. I'm just waiting on a few things, then I'm gonna go up because we're scrapping it because nobody's gonna buy it. We've got some other plans, whether we put the engine in a Ranger or pick up another project car or truck or something. We'll figure it out. But for now, we're going to pick up a bike. And it's about an hour away. It's a 1995 Suzuki RM250. He says it needs a new head, or the new cylinder head, or the jug. He said that he pulled the head off before he could start it, so he said he thought it had good compression. The pictures looked like it wasn't terrible, so we'll see. I know a guy who's got a machine shop. Worst case scenario, we hone it out a little bit, throw a sleeve in there. Should be good as new. He said it just needs a throttle cable, so it does need a little work. He listed it for $800. Going to pick it up right now. I told him $750. Well, asked him if he could do $700. We've been going back and forth for about a week because a couple people blew him off, offered him $800. So he waited on the parts. So I waited for a few days, and then he listed it again for $800 because I had offered him originally $650 because I didn't know what exactly it was. But I have a couple mutual friends with the kids, so you know, I'm kind of giving them the benefit of the doubt. We're gonna go pick it up because, you know, $250 for $750, not too bad of a deal. There's outrageous prices on the market right now for people trying to get X amount of money, a couple $1,000s. I'll let you know when we pick up the bike. I'll give you an update on how it went. Later on, I'll give you a walk around once I start the tear down, and we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, what's going on? You can't really see me right now because it's super dark. But if you can see behind me, my tail light's lighting up. We picked up the bike. I went and stopped at a friend's house after I picked it up just to hang out because I hadn't seen him in a while. But yeah, we picked up the bike. It looks pretty good. Decent shape for what it's been through. I mean, the kid gave me an extra carb. The carb on it right now is for a YZ125, so I'm not sure how that's gonna work. I'm sure it'll be fine, but it seems like it's got some good compression. I didn't bring a compression tester because I knew I was gonna buy the bike. So when I start the tear down, or I don't even know if I'm gonna try and tear it down. I'm gonna try and get it started, and it needs a throttle cable right now, and it needs a new throttle assembly just because he kind of messed it up and he snipped the throttle cable trying to make it fit. But all around, it's a good bike. I mean, $750. I'm not upset. It's a nice 250. I mean, the thing's gonna hopefully scream. Hopefully should be quick. My buddies wanted me to get it ready for this weekend, but unfortunately I'm not gonna be able to go out riding with them even if I did get it going, because I'm going up to see George. We're gonna go work on that boat. But I'm stoked. I got a project that I can work on at home now because, I mean, the BMW and the boat and everything is up at George's house, and instead of driving an hour, now in my free time at home, which I have a lot of, I can work on this bike. And I'll document a lot more because, I mean, it's 11 o'clock at night right now, so I'm not going to unload the bike. I'm going to unload it tomorrow morning before work. And when I sit down and start taking a look at it a little deeper, I'll bring you guys along for it. But we picked up the bike. I'm stoked. I'm excited, so make sure you keep a lookout for the next coming videos for it. I'm not sure how much footage I'm going to put in this video because I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do to it yet, but I'll keep you posted. So it's 2 days since I picked up the bike, so I've unloaded it and I've put it on a stand. She's in pretty good condition considering it's 95, you know, and the seat and stuff is all right here, so it's just a part. This is the way that it came. This gas tank is all loose. I had to have it ratcheted down on the way home, but I gave it a once over. Everything looks pretty good, but we're gonna try and pull this head off and see what we're dealing with. I just ordered a new throttle cable, the radiator shrouds, and then an entire plastics hardware set, just to replace everything because the rear fender is loose. It's missing some stuff. The gas tank's missing some stuff. The front fender's okay, but she's gonna need new tires soon. But we're just trying to get her started right now. When that stuff comes in the mail, I'll let you know.